Life Cycle Cost (LCC) from Procurement Lexicon. For more such procurement terminologies, please download the Procurement Lexicon guide. The link is available in the description below. Life cycle cost (LCC), the procurement and financial term that refers to the total cost associated with acquiring, owning, operating, maintaining, and disposing of an asset or system throughout its entire life cycle. It includes not only the upfront purchase cost but also all future costs related to the asset, such as maintenance, repairs, energy consumption, and disposal expenses. LCC analysis is a valuable tool for decision makers to assess the true cost-effectiveness of different options, products, or investments over time. By considering all costs, LCC helps organizations make informed choices that minimize long-term expenses and maximize value. To explore all the 2,500+ procurement terminologies, download the Procurement Lexicon at www.procurementlexicon.com. For globally recognized procurement and supply chain certifications, please visit www.physics.net.